Hello friends, how are you? I hope you are safe and well. Just keep smiling and keep enjoying. So this video is going to be all about HacktoberFest. Take my word friend, whether you are a beginner or you already know about this fest, this video is going to help you very much. But before starting this video, I would like you to please subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. The first thing is, what is HacktoberFest? So my friends, it's not just like other fest where you go drink, dance, ride roller coasters and date with your girlfriends. It's a fest on a great scale. It's a fest on a global level. A month-long celebration for the success of open source softwares like Python, Linux, Android, Firefox, DuckDuckGo, Kali Linux and other variants, distributions, etc. and etc. There are n number of softwares. I can't spell out each one of them, my friend. Now the thing comes like, how can you celebrate this HacktoberFest? How can you be a part of this fest? So it's very simple. Just visit the official website of HacktoberFest and register there. Yes, that's it. And the link is given in description. So go and register. As any other fest, this fest also has its own rules and guidelines that must be followed. Like for completing the challenge, HacktoberFest challenge, you should submit at least 4 PRs. Second is like the repositories you are submitting your PRs in should be HacktoberFest labeled. Third rule is like your PR should be merged or approved by the maintainer and should be labeled as HacktoberFest accepted. The fourth rule is, yes, you should be in first 70,000 peoples. Yes, then only you can get a t-shirt or a planted tree. That's a reward we will talk later. And here are the benefits of HacktoberFest. Like benefits, the first important benefit is like you will learn different technologies. There are so many technologies in the world, and if you are going to work on a project, then yes, you are going to learn so many technologies. It's going to help you very much. The second thing is like you will know how to work in an industry level company, because the repositories on GitHub are very vast. There are a huge number of people working in them, thousands and thousands of people contributing together. So you will learn so many things. And the third benefit is like, yes, you will get a reward. Then that reward is a t-shirt, or you will get a chance to plant a tree in a HacktoberFest forest. It's an optional this year, so you have to choose between a t-shirt or you can plant a tree. And my friend, yes, you should enjoy this fest. It should not be a burden put upon you. You should participate and you should enjoy this fest. Talk about your friends, post on social media, contribute to HacktoberFest and learn with it. And now things come is like you should speak up and ask for help. God help those who help themselves. So if you are stuck somewhere, you should ask the maintainers like, what should I do? Email them and they will respond. Yes, it's their job. So don't hesitate, just ask, join the Discord server of HacktoberFest and also learn about other people's like what they are doing. Post on Discord like what you have done today, which thing you explored. Just post all things on HacktoberFest and also learn about others, what they are doing. So yes, it's going to be a good journey for you. And my friend, yes, please don't spam. I know you want a t-shirt, but if you really want to earn that t-shirt, then you should not spam, because people working are getting a hard time in deleting all those spam. You should try to understand these things. If you are a beginner, if you don't know how to contribute a better PR, then you should always read the guidelines of the repositories, like how to contribute and what are the rules and regulations of contributions for that particular library. What is the code of conduct, how to write that code. There are several ways to write things and they are always available on those repositories. So you should go and first read that. First read the readme of that any repository. And if you are a complete beginner, then search for a beginner repository to work in. Like there are many repositories which are for beginners only. So my friends, just be happy and celebrate the open source development. Open source has achieved a very good height now. Like there are many, I have seen many success. People think that they will not earn money, and that's another thing I will talk about later in any other video. But yes, at the end, I hope you are gonna participate in it and gonna learn so many things. Open source is always a better place to contribute, to learn different technologies, and also learn about how the industrial software works. So don't, and after this HacktoberFest ends, don't just stop, and you should always contribute in open source softwares, whether it's a HacktoberFest or not, because it's for your own benefit and it will help you in your future. Thank you for viewing my video. If you liked it, so please subscribe my channel, share this video to your friends, comment on my video. That's all. Thank you. Have a good day, good night, and that's it. Bye bye. Take care.